All right, everyone traveling to the continent of Asia and the country of Bangladesh to the Chalanbeel region to boat schools. Water, water everywhere. In Bangladesh, students can miss months of school during the monsoon season. When heavy rains cause floods, even when schools are open, it can be impossible for kids to get to them. Climate change is making the flooding even more extreme by melting glaciers in the Himalaya mountains. The runoff swells rivers and makes them overflow their banks. The floods damage farms, schools, and other buildings. In the past few years, thousands of schools have been damaged and hundreds have been destroyed completely. Fact: all the school boats are built locally using materials found in the region. Many have flat bottoms so they can glide through shallow waters and over flooded land. Unsinkable schools. After seeing many of his friends and family members in Bangladesh miss out on an education, an architect named Mohammed Rezwan decided he was not going to let floods stop any more children from getting to school. He figured that the best way to beat the rising waters is to rise with them on a boat. I thought that if children cannot come to school, then the school should come to them, he explains. He raised enough money to open the first school boat in 2002. Now there are 90 boats that travel along a 250-kilometer or 155-mile stretch of rivers and streams in northwestern Bangladesh, giving thousands of kids the chance to learn. Ahoy, classmates! Boat school is the combination of a school bus and schoolhouse, says Mohammed. 6 days a week, each boat stops at different villages along the shore, picking up children who are mostly in the same grade. When the classroom is full, about 30 to 35 students, the work begins. For 3 hours, the students have lessons in math, reading, writing, English, Bengali, the environment, and conservation. Then the boat returns all the students to their riverbank stops. From there, the boat moves on to pick up another set of students for another 3-hour lesson. Each boat offers 3 sets of lessons a day. In the evenings, the boats also act as community centers, giving adults the chance to learn about things like healthcare and new rice farming methods. Wireless waves. Even though the boats float from place to place, they have electricity to run up to 4 computers, a printer, a DVD player, and a CD player. Solar panels on the roofs provide all the electricity they need. The boats are connected to the internet through wireless technology. Besides all the modern technology, the boats also stock hundreds of books. All aboard! If it weren't for the boats coming to pick up the children at their doorsteps, many young girls might not be going to school at all. Their parents wouldn't let them travel out of the village to the nearest government schoolhouse because they believe the journey is dangerous. Also, it takes them away from their chores for too long. Now that the boat schools come to them, the girls have time to both learn and work.